Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best ceramic coatings on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. Your editor is generally suspicious of products marketing themselves as all-in-one, as this moniker generally means the stuff is good at everything but great at nothing. However, with the most reviews of just about any product ever featured in this series, 10K plus, counting for a solid 4.4 out of 5 star rating, the masses have clearly spoken. The seller calls it an all-in-one. There's that term, ceramic coating hydrophobic spray. It is a ceramic car wax that provides a waterless wash, coat, and shine, all in one convenient product, of course. They assert that it also works as a sealer to give your vehicle a clear shield of protection while also providing a beautiful gloss. Pros. Positive reviews from an overwhelming sample size. Cons. Not a huge bottle. Number 2. Our second best pick is Drexler Ceramic Coating Kit. If you're looking for a more specialized product to complete this job, a kit such as this from Drexler is probably what you have in mind. Purporting to leave your car with a healthy shine for up to 3 years, these people have clearly never spent time in the windswept environs of rural Utah or in the salty fog of a coastal town. Nevertheless, this product applies a pair of coatings to your car's paint, showing up in the form of a base coat and a top coat spray. This surely helps contribute to the 3-year claim. Requiring much more work than a simple spritz, the kit comes with everything you need for a pleasant afternoon of caring for the paint on your car. Pros. Long life, excellent results. Cons. Book a day off. Number 3. Our third best pick is Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating. This brand has been around for, close to a century. Your editor remembers it being one of the first car care products he ever saw, purchased by a family friend who took fastidious care of their then new mid-80s Jeep CJ7. Turtle Wax has moved far beyond those paste in a green can days, now marketing products like this ceramic spray coating. To use this stuff, simply spray it on a clean and dry car. Then, spread and remove the spray with a folded microfiber cloth. Turtle Wax recommends, for best performance, that the paint be free of contaminants by using a clay bar or compound prior to application. Pros. You know the name, easy spray. Cons. Bouts of dangerous nostalgia. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Adams CS3 Clean, Shine, Protect. Adams polishes have, in a relatively short amount of time, been able to worm their way into the wash bays and detail centers across our nation. They offer high-quality products in plain packaging that, quite literally, does what it says on the label. This is refreshing in a world oversaturated with gonzo marketing. Here we have a product that combines a waterless wash and car wax spray, coat and shine polish, and water-based ceramic coating hydrophobic spray all in one convenient spray. Infused with fancy-sounding ceramic nano coating silica technology, it acts as a sealer and armor to create a shiny finish. Pros. Safe on many surfaces, wheels, glass, chrome, metal. Cons. Only a 12-ounce bottle. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Nano Bond Ceramic Coating Pro. Nano Bond calls this pro version of their product an all-new deal, featuring their latest formula that contains more strength and increased durability compared to their old stuff. They promote it as providing an excellent high gloss effect for the better part of 2 to 3 years. Like others, this ceramic coating protects paint from scratches, chips, dust, and other assorted crud you're likely to encounter on a daily basis. As a side note, they're one of the only ones to assert their product helps reduce paint transfer, handy in big cities where some people are careless with their bumpers. Pros. Includes an applicator. Cons. Ad is rife with confidence-eroding spelling errors. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.